As somebody who just finished her first year and is going into her second, I wanted to give some advice on my tips and tricks to college and what to expect. Let's talk about residence, specifically if you live on campus. I lived on campus for my first year and I absolutely loved it. There's also floor meetings and things that are going to happen that you can meet people within your building. The cool thing about residence is that it's so close to the school and you can quite literally walk right across the street and you are at the school. Depending on your course, your workload's going to look a lot different. For any course load, what I recommend for you is to write down everything you need to do, schedule it in, make lists, coming up with a system that works for you. Let's talk about what food and eating and meals are like at college. At St. Lawrence, there's lots of options for food. We have the cafeteria. We also have St. Larry's Pub with a little cafe as well. If you're living in residence, you're most likely going to be on the meal plan. It's so convenient to be on the meal plan. It's fast, but you're not always going to want to eat off the meal plan. You're going to want to have other options. So having food in your dorm room can be really helpful. Having things like a microwave, a toaster. I have an electric stovetop that I love with like an electric pan. You all want to make friends. You all want to meet people. Saying hi, introducing yourself, and putting yourself out there can make a big difference. St. Lawrence specifically offers lots of clubs and groups that you can join and get involved in that you can meet so many people. Having classes at any hour of the day. Now, you could have class at 8:30 in the morning, or you could have a class at 8:30 p.m. You also may not have any classes on some days. Get a schedule for your semester. It may look like you have 3 classes on Monday, and you have 1 class on Tuesday, and no classes on Wednesday. Just be aware that it's not going to be like a traditional schedule that maybe you're used to. Last thing I want to talk about for today is finding your way around. It can be scary at first. You're going into a new space and not knowing your way around. Is before the first day of school, go in and walk around and find your classes. This is going to make such a big difference. Even at the second semester, we knew our way around the school, but we still walked our classes to see where they were. Those are my tips for today. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to know.